Last year, 3 chihuahuas got caught out in the storm of the century. Lucinda and Coco were so scared. They had lost their mummy in the blizzard. Lindy found a high vantage point, hoping to spot Mum, but alas, there was no sign of her. Wherever can she be? Lindy mustered all her courage and led the way. Lindy put her fears to one side and took charge. Together, they found an inner strength. They were determined to survive this blizzard and be reunited with their mum. Lindy was starting to lose hope. Is this the end? They called one last time. Mummy, mummy. Wait, it can't be. Is it a mirage? It's Mummy. We're saved. Mummy is here. Let's get these babies home. It's a miracle.